A backcountry avalanche watch has been issued for Flathead, Lake and Lincoln counties due to a warm and wet storm that's in the forecast for tomorrow. The Flathead Avalanche Center notes if the storm develops as forecasted, rain on snow will increase the likelihood of triggered and natural avalanches. The backcountry avalanche watch is in effect on and below steep slopes above 5,000 feet in the Whitefish Range, the Swan Range, the Flathead Range, and parts of Glacier National Park. For the latest on this system, let's now send it over to Chief Meteorologist Louis Dortch.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, let's dive right into those details here because we have a very wet but mild system on the way as we're beginning the week here. Now, with the warm temperatures, rain, not only in the valleys, but in the mountains, melting snow with the recent snow, factor all that together. Here's where avalanche watches are in place for the mountains across northwest Montana, with heavy rain and flood watches in place as you head west of there towards Idaho and Washington.